Buddy.
Dang.
Come here.
It's a beautiful duck.
Got a hook on you, baby. Come here. Come here, 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 come here. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Don't want to hurt you, baby. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. It's in your mouth.
It's his mouth?
Yeah. Hold still. Don't want to hurt you.
Grab the top of his head, cuz.
No.
Oh, it's in his eye. I'm looking at it.
No. Okay. I got you. I got it. It's okay.
Good shit there.
It's okay. Not gonna hurt you, buddy. I'll let you go.
God is good.
I'll let you go. Not gonna hurt you.
Look at that. Wonder how long it took for.
I don't know, but I got the hook out.